Hi everyone, check out our upcoming auction. Trucks, shop equipment, and tools. We're inside the warehouse right now. They have finished loading. And let me try to get you around and peek at some of the stuff here. Got all kinds of DeWalt tools, toolboxes. Make sure I can navigate through this. And we got more tools. More tools. Got a bunch of good pieces here. Wow. That's a big thing. I'm not sure what it is. It's a jet. I don't know my machinery, sorry. All right, let's go take a peek at what's outside. Last look around. Got another piece. I'm not sure what that is either. Okay, take a peek at what's outside. Got tables and chairs. Obviously I know what that is. But let's go through here real quick and take a look. Pallet jacks, air compressors. Got a good assortment of that kind of stuff. Got some ladders. Now we're over to the forklift stuff. Got more pallet jacks, case, Clark forklift, and I'm sorry, I don't know what this is. And then we do have a 3-axle trailer down here. And then we're going to finish up where the crew's finishing loading. Got a bunch of steel pieces. Just going to take you quickly through. Got some forks, some steel pins, and finishing off with some metal doors. And then we have a truck over here. It is a Ford. Box truck, and it does have a heavy-duty lift gate on the back of it. And then over here we do have a dry van, and then we have another truck over here. It's a Freightliner. And then we have one more, and it's a Ford F-350 pickup with a flatbed on it. Let me see if I can squeeze through here so you guys can take a look. And there we go. that's the auction site. The crew's hard at work, and thank you for watching, everybody. If you'd like to bid on these items, please go to HughesmanAuction.com. Thank you.